So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and use the new FaceTime on iOS 26. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and click on your FaceTime button that's in the top left of your particular application. So click on FaceTime, and then what you're going to want to do is in the top left, basically the whole layout of this application is a little different. The top left, you'll see this edit button, and you're going to tap on edit, and you're going to be able to set up your name and photo and select. So you can select and change a lot of different things here. If you want to group select or mass select a bunch of different FaceTimes, you can do that here and delete them now, which is really cool. Now in the top right, you have this filter button. So you can filter out calls, missed calls, videos, voicemail, spam, manage filtering, all those types of things. Now all of our calls are now in these like cards. So they're not like in the little things that they were across. They're now in individual cards. So now you can go through and tap on a card if you want to go and immediately call somebody else if you want to. You can click on a voicemail or whatever, this type of thing. If you want to jump into a new call, you can just go through and tap on new call at the bottom, and then you can go and jump it into a new call that way. So that is something that is really cool that you can kind of do there as well. Now if you want, you can also go through and you can go ahead and call somebody by tapping on new call. And if you want to do that, you can just tap on new call down here. And you can create a new link if you want to. If you're used to creating links, you can click it here and create a new link that way. Now, if you do it that way, you can always just add a link and you can send it out to whoever and join the call that way, just like so. And if you want to, you can join that link by tapping on here. Now, when you join a call, it's more or less a little bit of a different type of process than it was before. So now you can see our layout is a little bit different than it was before. So our link and name at the top is still the same. If you tap on it, it hides or shows whatever you're trying to show. In the bottom right, this is where all of our buttons basically are now. So we can still mute and unmute that way. These three dots will bring up our live captions, screen sharing, and share play. So if you want to screen share on FaceTime here, you have to tap on the three dots here, and then you'll see screen sharing, share play, and live captions. If you want to end the call, you can end the call here, and if you tap onto your box at the bottom, that'll give you some more effects here and there depending on what you're trying to do. So that's basically how you use the new version of FaceTime. It's a little different, but that's basically how you do it. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.